Back to this case, guys, and these fans. Coolmaster is a manufacturer that you should really follow. Other manufacturers and stuff like that. If everybody would just do what Coolmaster did, I mean, A+ on their customer support. I sound like a Coolmaster fanboy, or even like they sponsored this video. They didn't. This is just me talking about a manufacturer slash producer that just did an awesome job. Really, I give Coolmaster a lot of props for how they handled this. Most places, they've gotten so big that they just forget about the little guy, or they just don't care about him. So I'm gonna turn these fans on, show you how cool they are, and a big double thumbs up to Coolmaster for being so freaking awesome. And let's get this show on the road. Let me electrocute myself really quick, because So here's this beautiful fractal R6 case. There you go. Sound nice and neat. Of course, you got the vertical riser with the VGA in there. VGA. We haven't used VGA in like 10 years, buddy. Sorry. PCI Express video graphics card. But yeah, I'm special sometimes. It's getting late, so my brain's just not working properly. But yeah, these things are awesome. They didn't have to send us RGB. They're quiet, as you can hear. I mean, you got the rodeo mic, right? You got the rodeo mic on top of the Canon, and it's just quiet. She's whistling away, and this baby is just absolutely quiet, nice and neat. Let me turn some of the other fans off. We'll be right back, guys. So I actually noticed that someone left the cellophane on their graphics card. It's all right, when it's new, you don't even know it's there. But the fans, A+ Coolmaster, customer support A+. I couldn't have asked for a better company, and I will definitely be buying more stuff from you in the past. I actually want to do a liquid-cooled server, a dual Xeon server. I don't know if you guys have dual processor liquid cooling, but a nice 2U or even 3U form factor, something that can fit, like a long radiator that's the 80mm fan size. There's nothing out there, at least at a good price point I haven't seen. It would just be nice to be able to put more efficient cooling into, a server rack. I know that's kind of not your guys' jive or thing that you do, but it'd be really awesome. And anybody else that's looking to, want to see a review on Coolmaster, this is just a general review. They treat their customers good, and they treat you right, and they support their products, and they don't let people out to dry. So, Coolmaster, you did an awesome job. Thank you for the Pro 280, fans. They sound wonderful. They look great. And that blue color is just awesome. First, I did start a new job, so that's why I haven't been around shooting many videos. And it's just been kind of hectic lately. So I hope to be getting a couple more videos out for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks, guys. Tech Nitwit out.